What happens if you get lost in space? Floating alone in the infinite darkness. No tether, no ship, no rescue. What really happens if you get lost in space? Would you explode instantly, freeze, or suffocate? Let's break down the terrifying truth. First moments. In the vacuum of space, the biggest threat is pressure, or rather, the lack of it. Your lungs would rupture if you tried to hold your breath. The air inside you would force its way out violently. Within 10-15 seconds, you'd lose consciousness from lack of oxygen. Body reactions. Contrary to Hollywood myths, you wouldn't explode. Instead, fluids in your body would begin to boil due to low pressure. Your skin would swell to nearly twice its normal size. It would hurt, but your body wouldn't instantly fall apart. Temperature extremes. In direct sunlight, your body would heat up rapidly to over 120 degrees and 250 degrees. In the shadow of a spacecraft or planet, you'd freeze to 150 degrees, 238 degrees. Without circulation or protection, your tissues would begin to break down. Radiation exposure. Space isn't empty. You'd be bombarded with deadly cosmic radiation and solar particles. Without Earth's magnetic field to protect you, your DNA would suffer massive damage within minutes. Time limit. How long could you last? Maybe 1 to 2 minutes of consciousness and up to 90 seconds before permanent damage. After that, death is inevitable. Getting lost in space is more than just a nightmare. It's a reminder of how fragile human life really is. Every astronaut relies on a thin layer of technology, a suit, a spacecraft, to survive in an environment designed to kill us instantly. But this fragility also shows the brilliance of human engineering. Our spacesuits act like personal spacecraft, providing pressure, oxygen, and shielding. Without them, we'd have no chance. With them, we've managed to walk on the moon and live on the ISS. So, what happens if you get lost in space? You wouldn't explode. You wouldn't freeze instantly. But within minutes, the vacuum would claim your life. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out tomorrow AS Video, where we all explore another mind-bending question about the universe.